Hello guys, let's talk about this Ring indoor camera. This is a 1080p high resolution video camera. So as you can see, it's pretty small. There is a lens in front of the camera, a microphone and a speaker. And you can just close this here for privacy. So it's pretty easy. And back here, you see the connection for the cable. So there's no battery inside. You need to power the camera using the cable. And it comes with the cable. There we go. It's a USB-A to micro USB. That's the one. You just connect to the camera and you use the power brick, which also comes with the camera. See, Ring. And here you just connect the USB and you power the camera. So pretty easy to power it up, and you just use your cell phone to set it up. And also comes with the screws because you can just mount this camera somewhere. Of course, you can use the camera the way on a desk, so you move to different position the way you want, or you can use the screws to install the camera somewhere like onto a wall, for example. Okay, so pretty easy to set it up as well, and it's pretty good. So that's the Ring camera. If you like this one, you can just get on Amazon. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.